breath is wasted, counting the sunset down into the twilight, burning the bright lights out. You could hold steady, or you could turn and run. But will you be ready when once in a lifetime comes? If once in a lifetime comes, it's in the heart, in the blood, running through every one of us. It's in the air, in your lungs, the words slipping from the tip of your tongue. We go on for generations. We go on for generations.
There are some things in life that only a certain number of people get to experience. One of them is the honour of walking their daughter down the aisle at her wedding. I know that this will be a special moment, and I'm lucky enough to be able to be getting rid of both of them soon. I mean, giving both of them away soon. However, Ashleigh has clearly forgotten the pact that she made when she was 8 years old. To never get married. I said then that I'd remind her of this on her wedding day. I, Ashleigh Fothergill, will never get married. Signed, Ashleigh.
Everything changes, don't be afraid of time. Stealing this moment out of your open mind.
May the two of you always treat each other with love, compassion and kindness. And with all my heart, I offer you my congratulations and warmest wishes as you start this wonderful adventure.
If once in a lifetime comes, it's in the heart, in the blood, running through every one of us. It's in the air, in your lungs, the words slipping from the tip of your tongue. We go on for generations. We go on.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. On this day, I give you my heart.
On this day, I give you my heart.
My promise that I will walk with you.
My promise that I will walk with you.
Hand in hand.
Wherever our journey leads us.
It's a great pleasure to tell you, you are now husband and wife. Congratulations to you both. You are now kiss your bride.
It's in the heart, in the blood, running through every one of us. It's in the air, in your lungs, the words slipping from the tip of your tongue. We go on for generations. We go on for generations.
They say love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the first time I believe it to be true. All of my friends say, when you know, you know. Every piece falls into place when I'm with you. In you I found a love that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever.
I feel so privileged that you said yes to marrying me. Although I don't blame you, it was a very romantic proposal. Eating a pizza in a restaurant in Zante, and I was so nervous I forgot to get down on one knee. Also, the pizza was lovely. Now, my best man and brother, Nathan. I want to thank you for being the best big brother anybody could ask for, my role model. You are always there for me and Ashleigh, and we are very lucky to have you. But you are very well known for making up stories, so feel free to ignore anything he's about to say in his speech next. Oh no.
25 years ago today, Matthew and Julie sent Ashleigh off to bed with a dummy. And you know, isn't it funny how history has a way of repeating itself?